Hello? Not sure how well this will work. See how it goes. But yeah, we're doing real life stuff now. Excuse the background. It's a little messy, but yeah, I don't know. Let's check. Safety first. This is where we're at with the ICR. There is fire. The goal of this stream is to get something shaped like this, or close enough side, but this is the test. Alright. I think these first couple swings, laggy fire, oh, it's lagging. Oh my goodness, look at that. 300 kilobit per second. That's not good. That's not good whatsoever. Hopefully it looks like it's restabilizing. I'm running off my mobile data right now, so that's probably why. Just to get that recurve. So or forge this straight, I believe, and then pound on this edge to kind of curve it out. So I don't know how it's going to work, but we'll see. Also, it looks like we're back down to low Wi-Fi. While that's heating up there, try and fiddle with some stuff. I don't know. We're up to 3,000 kilobits now, but I'm sure that I'll go back down here soon. I made it myself. Oh, the steel I'm using is 5160. You can find it in cars, in leaf springs for cars. Yeah. Tricks. Getting hot in here already. Head earphones. What is this? Can you guys hear me on the stream? I do not know because it is on my phone. Sorry if that's deafening you guys, by the way. I hope it's not, really, but... Let me see this again. Can I change this? Whoops. I'm trying to figure out what... The text here is very small. It's weird. It's like... It's squished. What? Is that what that is? I can't tell. Can I change that? Let's see. Gonna make it bigger. Oh goodness. Now the chat's not even there. Whoops. Maybe he just refreshed. Up. Pop gone. Reduced to atom. Dude, it's so weird. The shorter messages get squashed and the longer messages are normal. It's yeah, I don't know how long this stream is going to be. Because it looks like it's kind of janky on the Twitch side of things. If I ever do this again, I'm gonna have to refine it a little bit more. But I mean, that showed up normal, so maybe it's just wait, no, but not your name. It just has to be a moderately long message. It can't be super short. Man, it's hot in here. Goodness gracious. I have no idea. It's too long, and then it goes into 2 lines and it squashes your name. It's so weird. I'm guesstimating about half this bar for that knife, coming from, you gotta stretch it out downwards, and then the tang is a little smaller. So the blade itself is about 6 inches exactly. Look at that. I got the accidental drawing. Something might be enough. I guess I'd rather have too much than not enough, so I'll go 7 inches. That should be. Oh yeah, no way. That should be. On metal that's very hot. Alright, wish me luck with this maneuver here. Thank you. I got it. Oh. That's some hot fire. Marked for boarding. Yeah. This is only the third knife I've made. And that looked like a 2. Third knife I made. Hopefully it's gonna turn out well. I mean, right now it's looking like a rectangle. But sorry, I hope you guys can hear me. I'm talking kinda quiet. says 1700. Alright. You almost red in there? It is. I can only hope I don't accidentally grab it. I have only once before. It was a long time ago. How's the lag doing over there? I see it's at 1017 kilobits per second. I shouldn't have said anything. It's dropping fast. It's dropping fast. Holy goodness. Well. I smell something burning, is it? Not on fire, am I? This is the worst angle of me. Not Lone Shark, IRL. I can do maybe next. Kilobits. Alright, I'm going to try and end this stream really quick and then start it up again, because I don't think I can change it now. But I will be right back. Oh my goodness, my phone is getting hot. I don't know if